Hello everyone, Kannada International School Washim welcomes you all. Subscribe our channel right now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Hello dear first standard students. Today we are going to discuss our first lesson, the lesson which is for revision, 0th lesson. Let's get ready. Okay? So the topic is letter of the alphabets. First topic is letter of the alphabets. Let us read the letters. First, A. What is this? A. So, A for ant. Next is B. What is this picture about? This is bear. So, B for bear. And B for ball. C. This is the picture of caterpillar. So, C for caterpillar. And also C for carrot. Then D. This is the picture of dolphin. So, D for dolphin. Also D for doll. E. E for elephant. Also E for egg. Okay. So, A, B, C, D and E. Now next letters. Let us write. We have learned A, B, C, D and E. So according to that, we have some questions given below. Label the pictures. So what is this picture about? This is an apple. So A for apple. A for apple. This picture is of bear. B for bear. Next picture. This is cat. So C for cat. C-A-T, cat. D for dog. This is the picture of dog. So D-O-G, dog. This is the picture of the train's engine. Okay. So E for engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. So students, A for apple, B for bear, C for cat, D for dog and E for engine. Now question number 2. Write the letters in the correct order. You have given some letters. आपको यहाँ कुछ letters दिख रहे हैं. आपको इन letters को correct order में लिखना है. So first, which letter comes first? A. So write down A. Next comes B. Write down B. C. C for cat. D. Next comes D for dog. And E. E for engine. So students, I hope you have understand the first 5 letters A, B, C, D and E. Now let's move on. Our next letters. First one, F. F for, what is this? Frog. And also F for flower. Okay. Now G. G for, this is goldfish. So G stands for goldfish. G for grapes. Can you see the grapes here? Yes. Now H. H for horse. And H for, what is this? House. So H for house. Now look at this animal. I. I for iguana. Okay. This is the reptile. And I for ice cream. Next, J. What is this picture about? This is a jellyfish. Okay. So J for jellyfish. And J for jacket. So students, our next letters F, G, H, I and J. Now we have learned letter F, G, H, I and J. So match the pictures with the letters. What is this picture about? This is a fan. So fan starts with F. F-A-N, fan. Then this picture is of a girl. So girl starts with G. So G-I-R-L, girl. What is this? This is hen. Hen starts with H. So H-E-N, hen. What is this picture about? This is an igloo. So I for igloo. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. What is this now? This is jelly. J for jelly. J-E-L-L-Y. So this is the first question. Now question number 2. Write the letters in the correct order. Now students, we have learned 10 letters. So you have to arrange these 10 letters in correct order. First letter A. So write down A. Second B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D for dog. Next E. E for elephant or engine. F. F for fish. G. G for girl. H. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. And J. So J for jelly. So these are the 10 letters we have learned now. Let's move on to the next letters. Look here. K. What is this picture about? K for kangaroo. Also K for kite. K-I-T-E, kite. L. L for lion. Also L for, what is this? Lock. L-O-C-K, lock. M for mouse. And M for mat. M-A-T, mat. N for nestling. Nestling is the baby bird. So N for nestling. And N for nest. N-E-S-T, nest. O for ostrich. This is the picture of ostrich. And O for orange. So these are the next 5 letters. K-L-M-N-O. Now read the color key and color the pictures, then write the first letter under each picture. आपको हर एक लेटर के लिए स्पेशल कलर असाइन किया है, दिया गया है. आपको उस वर्ड से स्टार्ट होने वाले पिक्चर्स को कलर करना है या फर्स्ट लेटर राइट करना है. सो दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ लीफ. ओके, दिस इज लीफ. लीफ स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम एल. सो आप इस पिक्चर को ग्रीन कलर असाइन करोगे. लीफ इज ग्रीन कलर्ड. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ की. ओके, की मीन्स चाबी. तो की के लिए की स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम के, येलो कलर. ओके, K-E-Y, key. Next one, what is this? This is needle. Okay, so needle starts from N. So red colored needle. What is this? This is mouse. Mouse is in brown color. So M for mouse. And what's this? Octopus. So O for octopus. Now students, question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the missing letters. आपने अभी letters पढ़े तो आपको कुछ blanks दिए हैं, उन blanks में आपको missing letters fill करने हैं. Blank B. First letter क्या होता है आपका? A. So A, B, next one C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and last one is N. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and N. Next, now let's look at the next letters. P. P for parrot. So this is the picture of parrot. Okay, P for parrot and P for pear. Okay, P-E-A-R, pear. Now what is this? Q. Q for quail. This is the bird's picture, that is quail. And Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N. Next, R. R for rabbit and also R for rose, R-O-S-E, rose. S is the picture of snail and S for sun, S-U-N, sun. T. T for tortoise. This is the picture of tortoise. And T for table, T-A-B-L-E. So P, Q, R, S and T are our next letters. उन वर्ड्स में से आपको सिर्फ कैपिटल लेटर्स को अंडरलाइन करना है जिसमें आपको P-Q-R-S-T दिख रहा है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज P-A-P-E-R. सो पेपर. T-Y-R-E, tired. Here T. Quail, Q-U-A-I-L. So Q. T-E-N-T, tent. So first letter T. S-O-U-P, soup. So letter S. T-O-W-E-L, towel. So letter T. R-O-B-I-N, robin. So underline letter R. R-A-I-N, rain. So letter R again. Seagull, letter S. Quilt, Q-U-I-L-T, letter Q. Then P-A-N, pan. Okay, so letter P. Q-U-I-L-L, quill. R-I-V-E-R, river. P-L-A-T-E, plate. So letter P. And S-A-N-D, sand. So letter S. Now we have underlined the letters P-Q-R-S-T. So write down the letters in the blank. P, Q, R, S and T. Now question number 2. Fill in the blanks. So students, we have solved this question before also. Now let's fill in the blanks in the order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S and T. So these are the two questions. Now let's move on to the next page. So next letters are U, and this is the picture of bird, but the name of the bird is umbrella bird. You can see the structure like umbrella on his head. So this bird is called as umbrella bird. And U for umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella. V, this is vulture. And V for van, VAN, van. Next, W, W for walrus, and also W for waffle, WAFFLE, waffle. X, this is the picture of X-ray fish. So X for X-ray fish. Xmas, X for Xmas. Y, Y for yak and Y for yacht, YACHT. Here T is silent. Z, Z for zebra and Z for zoo, ZOO, zoo. So this is the picture of zoo. So U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now question number 1. Look at the pictures and color the circle in the with the first letter of their names. आपको pictures दिए हैं and around those pictures there are some alphabets given to you, letters given to you. तो वो picture का spelling जिस letter से start होता है उसको आपको color करना है. So what is this picture about? This is an umbrella. So umbrella, U stands for umbrella. Next, what is this? This is the picture of volcano and volcano का first letter V. V stands for volcano. What is this? This is watch. So W stands for watch, WATCH, watch. What's this? This is Christmas tree. So Xmas. So X stands for Xmas. What is this? This is the picture of wool. So W. Zebra. This is the picture of zebra and Z stands for zebra. So students, I hope you have understand this question. Next question is fill in the blanks. Now you have to fill in the blanks, the alphabet starting from A to Z. So again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So these are the letters from A to Z. There is a question given to you. How many letters are there in all? ये पूरे जो आपने लिखे हैं A to Z वो कितने letters है? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. So how many letters are this? They are 26. Count them all and write the number in the box. So how many letters? 26 letters. Now students, our next topic is order of letters. I hope you have understand the letters. Now order of letters. Let us read. A, B, C. A for ant, B for bear, C for caterpillar, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for frog, G for goldfish, H for horse, I for iguana, J for jellyfish, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for mouse, N for nestling, O for ostrich, P for parrot, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for snail, T for tortoise, U for umbrella bird, V for vulture, W for walrus, X for X-ray fish, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. So these are the capital letters. All these we have read just now are capital letters, and this is the order of these capital letters. Next comes, these are also the letters, but these are small letters. What are these? These are small letters, and above were capital letters. Again, small a, small b, small c, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So students, you have to write the small letters like this, and above are the capital letters. Now look at the pictures. You have the question given below. Look at these pictures. Circle the beginning letter of each word. Number the correct alphabetical order. So आपको क्या करना है, ये पिक्चर्स को आपको देखना है, इनमें से कैपिटल लेटर्स को सर्कल करना है, और सर्कल करने के बाद इन वर्ड्स की अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर मतलब 1 2 3 4 लिख के आपको इसकी अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर डिसाइड करनी है. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट लेटर्स सर्कल द बिगिनिंग लेटर्स आर, जे, आई, क्यू, एस, L. Listen to me, you have to circle these letters. I am just underlining it, okay? H, T, C, W, X, and M. So, ring, jar, igloo, quill, star, leaf, hat, tree, car, wheel, xylophone, and monkey. These are the pictures given to you. Now let's number this, or let's make the alphabetical order. So can you see A here? No. Can you see the word starting from B? No. But word starts from C is car. Okay. Now is there any word starting from D? No. E? No. F? Then G, H, yes, H for hat. Then I for igloo. J for jar. K, no. L, no. Then M, yes, M for monkey. N. Is there any word from N? Now L. Yes, so leaf. M for monkey. N, no. O, there is no word from O. P, then Q. Q for quill. R, ring. S for star. Then T for tree. U, V, W and X. Okay, so this is the alphabetical order of these pictures. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, look at these pictures and write their first letter to complete their names. आपको पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं और आपको उस पिक्चर्स को कंप्लीट करने के लिए उसका फर्स्ट लेटर लिखना है. सो व्हाट इज दिस पिक्चर अबाउट? दिस इज द ट्रेन्स इंजन. सो E for engine. This is the picture of pebbles. Pebbles मतलब stone. So PEBBLES, pebbles. This is the picture of grass. So GRASS, grass. What is this? The I card is given, identity card is given. So it must be an uniform. So UNIFORM, uniform. This is zero. So ZERO, zero. Now what is this picture about? This is nurse. So NURSE, nurse. The picture is of onion. So ONION. This is the picture of yarn, matlab wool. So Y. This is the picture of vase. So VASE. This is picture of kettle. KETTLE. Now next question. Question number 3. Color the balloons that have small letters on them. Okay, हमने कैपिटल लेटर्स और स्मॉल लेटर्स पढ़े, तो इन बलून्स में आपको कैपिटल एज वेल एज स्मॉल लेटर्स दिए हुए हैं. आपको उनमें से सिर्फ स्मॉल लेटर्स वाले बलून को कलर करना है. सो मैं सिर्फ अंडरलाइन कर रही हूँ, आपको ये लेटर्स को, बलून्स को कलर करना है. दिस इज कैपिटल लेटर A, small letter B. So color the balloon of B, small b. Capital D, capital E, small letter F. So color the letter F. Small letter G, color this balloon also. Small letter H. Capital letter I, capital J, capital K, L, M, C, small j. So color this balloon because it contains small j. Small q. So color this balloon too. Capital N, small t, color this one, and small capital Z. So color the balloons where I have mentioned the circle and square, others are the capital letters. Now question 4. Join the letters of the alphabet in correct order and help the ant reach the picnic basket. मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ ants है और यहाँ पिकनिक बास्केट दी है, तो आपको इन ants को हेल्प करना है टू रिच अप टू दिस बास्केट. बट आप कैसे हेल्प करोगे? आपको इस स्क्वायर में दिए हुए अल्फ़ाबेट्स को करेक्ट ऑर्डर में ज्वाइन करके उन एंड्स को बास्केट तक पहुंचाना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. A, B, नाउ बी के बाद सी आता है, सो सी, डी, ई, एफ, देन टी आता है क्या? नो, जी, एच, आई, जे, के, एल, एल के बाद डब्ल्यू आता है, नो, एम, एन, ओ, पी, क्यू, क्यू के बाद आर, एस, टी, टी के बाद ए आता है क्या? नो, देन यू, वी, डब्ल्यू, देन एक्स, वाई एंड जेड. सो दिस इज द वे फॉर एंड्स, जहाँ से वो कहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे? इस पिकनिक बास्केट तक. So students, I hope you have understand this section. So revise it again. Thank you.